Today I want to share with you an e-bike ride I took in my community in Fayetteville, Georgia. So come along for the ride. Okay, we're out for a morning ride out on the e-bike. Trying to go for about 4 miles. I pedaled the way. I only got assist up to 3. First ride on my Insta360. See how that goes. Still trying to get used to using this camera. I'm capable of using it. I'm not good at editing yet. Got to spend more time on that. Like I need to go spend more time on my ministry. It's time to get back at it. Got a lot of words to be said. Some things to share with you. Still got to figure out how to attach an external mic on this. Right now, being this close to it, it should work out okay. But other things I do with it, I don't have to adjust. Completely different than my GoPro, and I got most accessories I need for the GoPro. This one's a little different. I don't know if you hear the wind noise, but I'm getting it on my ears right now. I think not only from me moving, but from the air. It's a little breeze in the trees. My next outing, I'm going to raise this camera up a little bit. Let me in. It's nice of them. Level 4. Wonder why it was so easy. Must have been doing a bump I hit back there. Trim back those bushes back there, trees. Across this intersection. Let's see how that goes. got through that one. Y'all got to see me use my hand turn signals back there. It's important so that people know what you're doing. Down on a nice wide sidewalk / golf cart path. Fairly simple. A little later on, I have to share the road with folks, and that's when it becomes dicey. Even that's not too bad until I get around back to South Jeff Davis. Narrow road, no bicycle path, and it is buzzing by like it's nothing. Some of you them won't even give you the little berth they're supposed to give a bicycle. Have to be really careful. I know I'm to speed up my assist boost when I get there, so I can go as fast as I can to get out of there. So I think I'm going that route today. I want to go to a bigger, longer route, but I have some other things to do today. I need to go get ready for. So I'm going to keep it to about 4 miles today. Then again, it might be more. We'll see. Some people see cyclists, others do not. Get up here, see about crossing this road. morning. Down some of the crap that's blocking this pathway. It's good. So, still trying to sell that plot of land there. Pull it over up here. Sidewalk ended right there. Path. Gets a little wider right here. It's good. Away from those people in the cars. Safe out here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move my camera to the left side. Be better. See what's going on. So it's kind of lane over here. Downhill jump here. Well, I gotta do the slight uphill first. Feeling good. Now here comes the downhill. Car coming up behind me. We're right at 6 miles now, according to my bike. A little 5.5, according to my watch. So, don't know which one's accurate, but either way, getting a good ride in today. It feels great out here. Don't know what the temperature is, but I think it's like 72, 73 would be my guess. "73 degrees." I was right. You can tell by the way it feels. Turning right. Boost all the way up. Doing about 22 miles an hour right now. Here comes the car. See him in both my mirrors. See what he or she does. Had to get him in a good space. Good. This is why, like I said, I accelerate to my maximum boost. So I'll get off this road. It's a narrow road. Not much on the edges. It's the best I can do. It's close. Got another line of cars. Let's see what we can do. There it is. Good space. Great. Comes another group. Almost to my deceleration lane. Helped me out tremendously. Here we go. A little patience, y'all. I'll be out your way. Finally. After all that, I made it back to my community. Thank God for that. Thank you for watching.